Most people get this wrong. They assume CredFlow is just another payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that CredFlow has evolved into a more comprehensive financial tool, offering early wage access, flexible installment options, and spending insights that help users manage money smarter. Here's how it works. CredFlow allows you to access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often in just a few hours. This can be a lifesaver for covering urgent bills, unexpected expenses, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. On top of that, certain purchases can be split into smaller, manageable payments, which can make budgeting a lot easier. The app is clean and user-friendly. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and get a clear picture of your spending habits. Push notifications make sure you never miss a payment, helping you avoid late fees and stay on top of your finances. The downside, overusing CredFlow can get expensive. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up in fees, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial plan. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active to track repayment deadlines. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependency on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. People with irregular income or poor repayment habits might find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, CredFlow in 2026 is a practical, flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Plan your repayments, track your spending, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money tips that help you stay in control of your finances.